Just put lime inside a mask, and you'll no longer spend money on those pricey products to keep your bathroom clean and smelling fresh. Go ahead and cut the lime in half, then slice it into small pieces. You can chop the whole thing. Take a look. That's exactly how it should look. Set it aside for now. Next, grab a disposable face mask like this one. You can even use an old one you were about to toss. Take the string off first because we're going to need it in just a second. Now, take your scissors and cut the mask along one of the edges. Open the mask up like this, then grab your little lime cubes and drop them inside. Twist the mask closed and use that string to tie it up nice and tight. And just like that, your little bag is ready to go. All right, let's head to the bathroom so you can see it in action. Carefully open your toilet tank. Take the lime bag and place it inside, just like this. Put the lid back on. Now here's the cool part. Every time you flush, a bit of that lime essence is released into the toilet. Lime has a fresh scent and great antibacterial properties, so it helps clean, kill germs, and knock out stains and bad smells.